Yeah.
We have
You see,
box.
it was a big old thing of ice.
Yeah.
We can go and get a box.
Yeah,
We-
somebody.
Yeah, if she,
Because I was
but
thinking.
I was thinking if she's in the yard, she's okay even if you don't put it because
Oh,
she's
I hear her chirping.
See?
Oh, she's.
Yeah.
She's coughing. But
That's
they
it.
do have a little chirp. It's it's almost a musical sound to it.
Yeah, it's pretty.
It's like a squeak, kind of a chirp.
Well, we have box at home like this size and
Honey, by the time we get back, how long will she be here?
Oh, this bird been here for hours.
Actually, somebody might just
At
come.
first, I came by,
Some people are mean.
and it was let's see,
uh-huh.
and then I came back. So I was gone 2 hours, and she's still. A lot of people may not see her.
Yeah, because
But I'm scared to leave her here at night.
Yeah.
Because I'm telling you, it was a fox, and I followed it, and it kept running, and it kept turning.
What color
around.
was it?
It was brown. It was a fox, and it was in that parking lot.
Uh-huh.
And me and my granddaughter, we followed it, and it would walk, and then it would turn around, look at us.
we
And it
do
would
have
turn around,
we
look.
do have to go and pay Target and go to Home Depot. That's what we're gonna do
Yeah.
right now. But we could get a box and take her to our yard and maybe she'll
You know,
Because I'm scared something will bite her.
I got those big water.
Yeah, but I
If
I
I
still
cut
am.
the top off,
You know how I am
you put her in.
about animals. I really don't really want in the yard, but I would like her to not to
I
die.
can cut the
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
water
Yeah, I
drain,
wanna save her.
cut the top out of it.
But you don't have what to cut her with right now. That's the same thing. We have to go home.
Can you get a box from I have a little box I got from Kinko's.
If I can, maybe.
It's a little box. I just don't want to see it to die.
Yeah,
No, we don't either.
I gotta hand feed it.
Well, but at home, your mind just stay in the yard.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't put in that cage.
It will fit in here. It will fit
Let's
in
see.
here.
Oh, it's too small.
No, it will fit.
Oh, she
Yeah,
sit on it, but
Yeah, but
She sit on it. It's enough.
yeah, but I don't.
she ain't gonna fly.
She ain't gonna fly.
Well, I put her. Then what I would do, I put her in a bag. Put her like that, and then the bag on top of her, so she don't get the cart. I mean, I don't want her to live, but I don't. Want
Well, get the bag out of the trunk, and I'll catch her.
Yeah. Oh, she's not gonna run because
No.
she when I bent down to give her some water. Oh, baby, here.
Oh yeah, she started. That's diarrhea. No, she's not. She's hungry.
She hungry?
She's hungry.
Oh, I don't want to.
Huh?
Here, here,
I didn't leave the motor on. No.
here's something. Here.
It's not open.
Huh?
Wait, it's not open.
Well, it should.
What kind of bag do you need?
Well, that's a wet one there.
I have a dry bag I got from Walmart. Hold on. But I don't want it. She's not gonna cover her up and smother. It won't smother her, right?
No, no. You taking a picture? So you remember that little lady? Huh? Well, push the lever inside, hon. You know that little one I push? That opens it. Yeah, that'll do.
Don't smother her. You just gotta. Here, this is not wet. Is it like this?
Yeah.
Like that? You're not gonna put it over her head, right?
I don't want. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I want her covered. I don't want her pushing it.
We'll cut a hole in it
Yeah.
in the bottom.
Breathe.
Yeah,
Yeah, see, we're gonna save her that.
put her in the trunk though.
Okay, yeah, we'll get home to the store and come back.
Oh, don't put her in the trunk. She won't breathe. You can't.
Now, how about in the back? That's
Yeah,
how she
as
don't.
long as she
You put her in the
don't
trunk.
put up, so-
She's gonna smother.
I don't want her to fly
I
around.
saw that they left a little baby. I was watching TV. They left. It was a man. He didn't want.